Namaste, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal and Vanakkam. This is Dr. Meenakshi Anantram. I'm a Smulian with an ID, Raz Meenakshi, R-A-Z-Z Meenakshi, which is my name. I'm a scientist with over 25 international publications. I'm a parasitologist. I have been one of the first few women nominated on the Antarctic mission. I've been a young scientist, and after that, I started one of the first event management companies for India. My company, Razzmatazz, is 27-year-old, and we've handled more than 5,000 events nationally and internationally. I'm a writer. I'm a Limca Book awardee. My father and I are the only father-daughter duo to give running commentary for international cricket matches in the world. And today we knock the doors of Guinness also. We're very proud to be in the Limca Book of Records. Apart from this, I have played cricket for the state and handballed for my country. I've represented India in the 1982 Asian Games. I've been in the Indian squad. I worked as a teacher, as a scientist, and later I also am a soft skill trainer and a motivational speaker. But all this becomes blank when it comes to my desire to sing. I've always been a certified bathroom singer, and all of us at home have been singers in our own way. Today, I'm a Smulian. I have more than 3,000 recordings. I sing because I think singing in Smule is an inward journey. I was introduced to Smule by a friend of mine, and I've loved the journey, the way I have met new people, the energies that bring to the table, the energies that show me to myself. And I'm very grateful to all those wonderful experiences. The quality with which Smule records and then shows us how we sing is absolutely mind-blowing. And I thank Smule for putting everything so crisply and so beautifully for us. I look forward to staging a Smule event very soon. I manage a number of artists. Very recently, we worked with Sri S.P. Balasubramaniam, K.S. Chitra, Shreya Ghoshal, Shankar Madhavan, the Colonial Cousins, Hariharan G, Leslie Lewis, to name a few. And whenever I have stood behind and listened to these artists, I have always felt that the song was mine. I needed to sing those songs. So, Smule, you make me a rock star in my own little world, my Smulian world. I thank you so much. I nominate 3 beautiful singers, my own brother, Lakshman Murugesh, Dr. Lakshman Murugesh, who is a metallurgist par excellence. He is a great person, a great singer, and he would introduce himself in the next video. I also have found a good friend in Venu, a gentleman who lives in the US. Venu rocks in US is his ID, and I would ask Venu to introduce himself. I have never met him in real life, but I feel I know him day in and day out because I join him and he joins me in music. I also would like to nominate a young, beautiful girl called Geetanjali Mayur, who put me in her group, and every day I enjoy the fraternity of a Smule group. Ladies and gentlemen, I thank you for the music that Smule brings to my life, because I know that there is only one thing that we can do for ourselves. When the going gets tough, the tough gets going. We can travel inwards if traveling outward is difficult. On March 6th, 2020, I landed up in California, United States of America, to take care of my aged parents and visit my mother who was ill. Soon after that, the COVID pandemic broke out in the world, and I am stuck in the United States for a few months more. It is difficult emotionally to be 10,000 miles away from your own home, your own nest. But thanks to Smule, every day has been a journey into music. I have forgotten the world outside. It has been a beautiful time going on a live jam, meeting new people, building bridges, and it's almost as if everybody you meet on Smule is your family, and you wait for the moment when you can open your app and meet your friends again. Thank you, Smule, for giving me this new journey, and I know that I'm never alone, I'm never lonely. I wish everybody who's watching this video all the best, and I'm proud to be on the TTK Challenge for Smule. I hope that one day I will stage a Smule event in my city and bring in more Smulians. I have worked with a number of Prime Ministers of India, the Presidents, Chief Ministers, and I have shared the limelight and aura of many celebrities But today, I feel I'm a celebrity on my own when I hold the Smule app. Thank you, Smule. बस एक बात बोलना था आपसे, जो भी स्म्यूल को इतना ब्यूटीफुल जन्नत जैसे बनाते हैं। नहीं नहीं नहीं, ये बात है पुरानी, कैसी पहेली है ये, कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी। So don't stop living life, live life. Every word, every lyric, every tune that you know, live it, be there, and sing the song of your life so that when you leave back the music and people say, Tera naam hai, tumhari pehchan hai. Yes? So God bless you all. I wish all the nominees whom I have called in all the best, and all my friends at Smule. God bless you guys.